Hey there, since this is gonna be a very quick review and I don't want to interrupt it later, if after watching you want to check this cooling tower out, the link and the disclaimer is in the description down below, and now please enjoy your video. Hi, today I want to show you this evaporative cooling fan by Dreo. So when you open the box, besides the cooling fan itself, which I'm gonna come back to it shortly, there is also a remote controller in the box, and this controller, by the way, has already pre-installed 3-volt battery, which is definitely a plus. Next you have the instructions, of course, and there is also these 2 ice packs included, which is great since this is evaporative cooler. And finally this round base that comes in 2 pieces, and this base attaches to the bottom of the fan very easily. So this cooling tower looks pretty nice actually. Also we bought it in the white color, which has nice contrast with the black front. However, there is black color option too. So in front you have the airflow fins with the motor, and then this nice control panel on top. Now on the back of this cooling tower, you have this panel, and inside you have the honeycomb filter. So just in case if it needs to be cleaned, you can take the screw out on top and then remove it from the cooler, and you can even take it out from the frame too. And by the way, it's okay to wash it with water too. Obviously refer to the instructions. Then on the bottom, and this part is very important, you have this water storage compartment. So before you're using this cooling fan, it's recommended that you freeze these 2 ice packs, and also for best results, make the water very cold, preferably in refrigerator, and that way you will have the coldest air. So after you open this compartment, you can put the ice packs in, then fill it up with the cold water, and I actually fill up the entire pitcher, and I didn't even realize this is less than half capacity. There is water measurement level in front too, and for best results you would normally fill it up to full capacity. So now after you have the cold water with ice packs, when you put this cooling tower on, you will have 2 main modes. You can run it as a fan only, and you have 4-speed adjustment, so you can switch it on number 1, which is very low, or all the way to 4, which is the highest speed. And even only on fan, this tower is producing nice amount of air. However, of course, for better results, you would click this other button, and that will activate this tower to actually circulate the cold water, and that will provide much colder air. And when I was doing it, my room was relatively cold, but if the room is warmer, you can actually see some cold mist coming from it. And by the way, even on the water cooling mode, you have the same 4 fan speed adjustments as well. Additionally, you have the oscillating button, and when you activate it, this fan will turn from side to side, circulating the air in the room even better. And additionally, you have the timer, and the timer could be set for up to 7 hours. Of course, you can change all the settings on the remote controller too. So overall, this is really nice quality cooling fan, and because it circulates cold water, it is definitely a better solution than just standard fan. And sure, full air conditioner would produce colder air. However, this cooling tower still makes the air colder than the room temperature. So I think this would be a great solution if you have a small room, or for example, if you're working in some space that there is no air conditioner and there is no way to install the air conditioner. That's where this cooling fan will make all the difference. So thank you very much for watching. If you'd like to see some other of my air cooling solutions, click one of the videos on the screen, and maybe I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.